With Op1 done, we're ready to move on to Op2. Now, the simplest way that we can do this is actually by duplicating the first setup. Now, the cool thing about doing this is that we get all of our toolpaths that we're actually going to use on the other side. We're just going to modify those toolpaths, and this is the fastest route to getting this part done. I'm going to left click and select the setup. And I'm just like any other toolpath, I'm just going to hit Control D. Now that directly duplicated that setup, so I have a complete copy of everything that was within Op1. So what I'm going to do first and foremost is I'm going to double click to get into the edit of the setup. And I'm going to change my program number to program 2. We'll go ahead and change this to Op2 in our comment section. And we're going to use G55 for Op2. Then I'm going to come over to my setup itself, and I'm going to change my model, my stock model point. This is going to be my model box point. I'm going to be machining this to the finish Z height and grab that finish Z height center point. And now I'm going to flip my Z to get the proper work coordinate. Now that's not exactly where I want to do this. I may actually want to try to move to an extended stock left corner on this, so I'm going to go ahead and select that left corner point. You see how simple it is to just move over to where I'm going to adjust and have my stops just by selecting that extents. And you can see that that's not the stock extents. Again, this is the model box point extents. Everything gets red X'd out. Well, that's because everything's flipped over on its side. It just needs to be reprocessed.